Electricity-free air by the sun with water. By the walls, evaporates upward up here. The, Up this pipe here. Oh, and here's a little fan that absorbs heat, taking more heat out. The roof is thin but solid. Heat cannot get water cannot get through, but heat sure can. Maybe make it out of ceramic, plastic. The water recondenses on these cylinders here, colder water, and runs down this pipe, much thinner than this bigger pipe with more space. So cool water runs directly down here. This fan also creates more of a current, taking more energy out of the heat, and also making it into mechanical energy, pushing the flow faster. Make the heating pipe wider than the cooling one, with the cool air around it.